Good evening, friends. Welcome back to my channel, Excellent Manish. Today, we are going to learn some specific things. It's called mask function. Why? First of all, why we are going to use this one? In HR departments, there is many data, and data for the staff related. Many data is the personal data. If somebody came, like anybody, and they want to see, so we hide some digit, so they cannot get complete until access not allowed to them. This function, like we cover by the mask, like we cover our mouth, this mask, same thing, we cover some digit with the mask, like asterisk, cross, anything. So this will be used the function, two kind of the function we use, substitute and right and left functions. Let's come to our screen. Let's, you can see here the data of some staff members is given. Here let me show you the mobile numbers of the staff, international passport number, these two detail. Now I will show you how to hide some numbers, because if I open this information, anybody can take. So we want to put the mask on information, that called mask function. We use some formula to hide, and we can choose how many digit from right, from left, and then from middle we have to hide. Let's see. First we have to see the right digit is equal to substitute mobile number B6, comma, we have to reduce it, we have to hide from right, so we have to write right function, right, open bracket, again comma, how many digits we want to hide from right. Let's take 4, close bracket, comma, which kind of the sign we have to put for hiding. We can take, let me take open quote 1 asterisk 1 2 3 4, okay, and close the bracket. You can see the last from the right 4 digit is hide. We can use here. You can see here all the 4 numbers, right digit is hide by 4 numbers. If anybody access this information, he cannot take all. After that asterisk is given. Now let me show you in this the remaining one as a left is equal to substitute open bracket, select, comma, left, again select, comma, let me take 2 digit B2, close bracket, comma, asterisk. Now this time we use this cross sign and close the bracket, close the quote and sign. You can see here we hide 2 digit from left. You can copy here like this. Now you understand from right to left how can we hide, how can we put mask on the information, so nobody can misuse this one, nobody can take information without the authorization. Now let me show here also for international passport. Passport detail is important. If somebody taken the passport detail of some person, other person, they can misuse. So in HR department, either in big companies, either in anywhere where the information is crucial, they have to hide. Let me take hide, same formula, substitute, comma, take this one, comma, right function. I will take only 3 digit. I put 3, close bracket, comma, open quote, use 3, close quote, and close the bracket. You can see here the passport number is hide by asterisk. You can take the copy like this. Nobody can misuse this information because all the staffs given all his relevant information to the HR department, and HR department responsibility to keep the safe information for all the staff. Suppose somebody hack the system, somebody want to know, and initial level he can see only 3 digit, 4 digit of the passport number. He cannot do anything. But if you take either mobile number, either any detail like text detail, anything you can hide anything. Now let me teach you how to use the two middle number. Like let me is equal to left function. We are going to use left, open bracket. We are using mobile number, comma, how many digit from left you want to show? 2 digit, close bracket. Now and this 1 2 3 1 2, close this one, comma, and right, right, this one you take the mobile number again, comma, 2, close the bracket. You can see here 2 digit from this. You can see here because I put 2 here, you can use like some asterisk. You can use this also better because from 2 digit they only want to show. Yeah. So you can understand this. Now mobile number cannot seen by properly by anybody until the access allowed. I hope you understand these things. I will give the formula in the description box. Make sure you like and subscribe my channel. Please comment. Thank you so much.